Hey mathematicians! So the most important thing for you to do first is make sure you understand the context of the problem. So Diego bought some raisins and walnuts to make trail mix. So if you need to define any of those words, if you need to Google or translate, please do that now to make sure you understand what exactly is happening in the problem. Then restart the video once you have a good understanding, and I'll show you how to do the math. All right, so again, he's buying some raisins, and he is buying some walnuts. So this is what they look like before the shell and then after the shell. And then apparently he's going to mix it all together to make some trail mix. So a mix of all those things together. I hope he's buying more than just walnuts and raisins, because that is a pretty lame, not very good trail mix. So hopefully there's going to be more in there. Anyway, on to the math. So it tells me that it wants X to be the pounds of raisins, and it wants Y to be the pounds of walnuts. So if raisins cost $4 a pound, which I got here, that means that to represent my raisins, I'm going to use the expression 4X, because it says raisins cost $4 a pound, and they want us to use X to represent raisins. So we're going to represent that as 4 times X plus walnuts cost $8 a pound. So, and they want Y to represent walnuts. So walnuts are going to be represented as 8Y, because it's $8 times the number of walnuts. So this represents the amount of money that he spent. They also tell us that they want it to be an equation, and we know that equations have to have an equal sign. And then finally, they use this word that we may not have seen before that is called the word constraint. I'm talking about this word right here. So a constraint is just another word for a limit. So in this case, the fact that he spent $15 on both ingredients, that $15 is going to be our constraint. So, and again, a constraint means like a limit. So that's how much money he spent altogether. So the equation that we need to type into the answer box here is 4X plus 8Y equals 15.